Marshall is an icon in the audio world, historically famous for its amplifiers that have made their mark in rock history. In recent years, the brand has taken the bold step of expanding its range by offering products aimed at the general public while keeping that vintage style and signature sound that it's known for. Today, we're taking a look at the Marshall Monitor II, an over-ear headphone with active noise cancellation that promises an immersive experience and a unique design. Does this €300 headphone really live up to its promises against increasingly fierce competition? That's what we're going to find out together. Stick around until the end to catch all the details, and don't forget to check the description for the link. Every click to purchase through this link supports the channel. The Marshall Monitor II immediately stands out with its retro look, true to the rock and roll spirit of the brand. The appearance is polished with a textured black faux leather finish that brings to mind the Marshall amps from the 50s. Details like the white logo on the ear cups and the gold control button add a touch of elegance and nostalgia. The visible coiled cable adds a vintage touch that fans of the brand will love. The headband is adjustable, covered in synthetic leather that provides a good fit while being sturdy enough to withstand impacts. The headphones are also designed to be portable. It folds up completely, reducing its size and making it easy to store in the included denim pouch. However, it's worth noting that the headphones weigh 320 g, which is a bit heavier than competitors like the Bose QC35 at 235 g or the Sony WH-1000XM4 at 254 g. This weight can cause some pressure after an hour of continuous use, especially around the headband. The Marshall Monitor II skillfully combines retro design with modern technologies. On the connectivity side, it features Bluetooth 5.0 for a stable and efficient connection, as well as a 3.5mm mini jack port for wired listening, which is super handy if the battery runs out. Speaking of battery life, the headphones offer an impressive up to 30 hours of listening with active noise cancellation and up to 45 hours without ANC. A quick 15-minute charge also gives you up to 5 extra hours of playback. The control of the headphones is managed by a gold multidirectional button that acts like a joystick to adjust the volume, skip tracks, and pause the music. This choice is a nod to traditional analog controls and provides a nice tactile feel while being more reliable than touch surfaces, which can often be imprecise in cold or rainy conditions. Two other discrete buttons are hidden in the hinges of the ear cups. One is for turning the ANC on or off, and the other is customizable to access the voice assistant or switch equalizer profiles. The headphones come with a dedicated app available on Android and iOS. This app lets you customize your listening experience with a 5-band equalizer, presets for different music genres like pop, rock, and electronic, and a setting to adjust the intensity of the active noise cancellation across 10 levels. You can also reconfigure the customizable button and access the location features to find the headphones if you lose them. In everyday use, the Marshall Monitor II is generally comfortable to wear. The ear cushions fully envelop the ears, providing effective passive isolation that enhances noise reduction. These headphones are perfect for daily commutes on public transport like the subway or airplane, where the noise cancellation does a decent job of reducing background noise, although it doesn't quite compete with the industry leaders like Sony and Bose. The transparency mode is a welcome addition, allowing you to pick up on surrounding sounds without having to take off the headphones. This mode is especially useful in public environments, like when you need to hear announcements at the airport or in train stations. The multi-point connection is also a handy feature, allowing you to stay connected to two devices at the same time, like a smartphone and a computer. However, some brief dropouts were noticed during simultaneous use, especially in the presence of strong wind noise. In the high-end ANC headphone category, the Marshall Monitor II ANC stands out with its unique design and energetic sound signature. Compared to the Sony WH-1000XM4 and the Bose Headphone 700, it offers a different experience, less sophistication in the ANC, but a superior build quality in a more fun listening experience. The dynamic bass and rock and roll sound make it a perfect headset for fans of energetic music. However, if noise cancellation is a priority, it's better to go for models like the Bose Headphone 700 or the Sony WH-1000XM4, which dominate the market with significantly better ANC performance. The Teufel Real Blue NC, on the other hand, offers a more affordable alternative with balanced sound and good noise cancellation, but it lacks the visual flair of Marshall. The Marshall Monitor II is a headset designed for those who want to combine style and performance. It stands out with its retro design, energetic sound signature, and impressive battery life, making it an excellent choice for rock fans and those who love dynamic music. Even though it falls a bit short on noise cancellation compared to its direct competitors, it's still a solid option for those who prioritize style and build quality. To learn more and take advantage of the best deal, feel free to check out the link in the description, leave your thoughts in the comments, like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks, see you soon, bye bye.